In this video, you're going to learn how to make money with Content Samurai. Hey guys, it's Adam here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money with Content Samurai. So Content Samurai is a tool. It's a really powerful video creation tool where you can make really good videos in a matter of seconds, matter of minutes. Okay, you could really create a lot of different high quality videos in a very short amount of time. Whereas if you weren't using a tool like this, it would take you hours and hours, and you might even need to pay for the stock footage image that Content Samurai actually provides you. Okay. And another thing about Content Samurai is you actually get so if you let's say if you don't even want to talk, right? They even have an inbuilt like a voice which actually reads out whatever you write in the script column. It reads it out. And if I believe if you adjust the speed actually a tad bit slower or faster, I forgot what it was, it actually sounds pretty natural. But again, you can also use your own voice, right? You could just record right over. And then they have a lot of different features, right? You could have images, you could have different stock videos as well. And another thing about this is if you have a script, Content Samurai literally just, if you paste in your script, it will actually generate a whole different video for you, like automatically. Okay, now is it always going to be accurate? Not always, but it's quite good. And it's the one thing I like about this is the fact that you can do it so fast, because you need a lot of content if you're doing a lot of these if you're doing content marketing and a few other things I'm going to show you guys in this video. So the question comes down to how do you make money with Content Samurai. Okay, I'm going to show you guys 4 different ways you can actually make money with Content Samurai. So let's get started with the first way. The first way is through, well, 5 different ways, but let's just say 4 different ways. So first way is through YouTube, creating videos and getting views. So this video was made by Content Samurai. It's 5 kitchen storage solutions that are borderline genius. And in this video, the person just has a bunch of different pictures and you're just talking over it, right? Now something like this is super easy to create in Content Samurai. Whereas something like this will take you a much longer time to create with just regular video editing softwares. And even video editing softwares, they actually cost money, right? Like Sony Vegas, Camtasia, stuff like that. So if you take a look at the views this video has, this video actually almost got 2.3 million views. If you guys can see this, right? 2.3 million views. They obviously made a lot of money from just the video alone. It all depends on their CPM and whatnot. And I actually have a video showing you how to make money on YouTube without really showing your face or even talking. So make sure you check that out. I'll put it in the description or like somewhere near the video, near the ending of the video. But another way you guys can, just real quick note, this video was made in 2015, so all the way back then Content Samurai wasn't as powerful as it is right now. So that's why this person only used still images, whereas he could have used videos and could have made it really much better. Okay, so if you guys actually look in the description and actually scroll down, you'll see these weird links, right? These are actually Amazon links. These are actually Amazon affiliate links. So he's actually utilizing affiliate marketing to actually make money. Now this is a combined. Okay, so you combined the AdSense money that this person got and the affiliate income he got. It's a lot. Okay. Usually your AdSense income is always going to be, usually 90% of cases, is always going to be less than if you're promoting a product or if you have an affiliate link. Okay, now it depends on the video, right? Like if you're pushing to actually sell the product, yes, it's going to convert better and you're going to make more money through through affiliate marketing. But most of the time, it's much easier to and much smarter to actually just do affiliate marketing on YouTube and actually do these type of videos, and then just in the comment and the description, you want to put in the affiliate links. So that way, you guys can actually, you don't need a lot of views to actually make a good amount of money. Okay, so this person actually made a lot of money. You could, I already know this person probably did really good numbers. Because you guys can just see these are Amazon links, right? What if it was another product? Because Amazon only gives you 5%, right? What if it was a ClickBank product, right? Because ClickBank, they actually give like 50 plus commissions usually. Like they give like 60 or 75 on some, 90% commission as well. The way they do that is because they sell in the back end, and you don't get as much of the back end. So affiliate marketing is one of the best ways you guys can use Content Samurai to really start making money. Now, another way you guys can really create a ton of different videos and do just the same method, but much even faster than having to create your own, having to write your own script and creating these videos. Head over to this website called idplr.com. Now this is where you guys can buy PLR articles. And what you guys do is you essentially, because this website, they actually sell what PLR stands for is private label rights. So essentially, what you guys can do is you guys can actually buy one of these ebooks, and then you could actually give it away if someone signs up through your affiliate link. I actually do this with one of the course I promote. It's by Franklin Hatchett. It's called the Savage Affiliates course, and every time someone buys through me, I actually offer them bonuses. Okay, and it's actually a great course if you're wanting to get into affiliate marketing. Like I said earlier in the video. It's one of the cheapest courses. He's not like a lot of other gurus which charges thousands and thousands of dollars just for a course. But anyways, back to this. So what you're gonna do is you want to buy articles, PLR articles, and what you're gonna do is you're essentially gonna just head over to Content Samurai and you're gonna paste it into the script column, and it's automatically gonna generate the video for you. Now, obviously, a lot of times you will need to adjust it. I'm not gonna say it's completely automatic, but it does do a great job at because they have a special AI for that. So just imagine you buy a lot of these PLR products. They're not that expensive. There's also a membership, I believe, with this, because there's more websites like these that you guys can actually purchase things from. So just imagine how many videos you can actually create, right? Like you just paste it in, and it will take you like 1 or 2 minutes to really refine it and whatnot. And once you get used to it, it might be even faster, right? And you could really create channels like these, right? You could have like you could set up like 3 or 4 or 5 different channels, and then you could actually buy PLR articles for each one of those, and you could just really quickly create them, and you'll just upload on all 4 or 5. And just consistently keep on doing that every single day. Make sure you also optimize. Oh, by the way, again, that Savage Affiliates course I talked about, it also goes over how to get a lot of views on YouTube, and how to rank your videos, and how to appear on the suggested column, like on the side right here, because that's where most of the YouTube views are. Again, you don't need to get the course, but I'm just throwing that out there. But again, so if you do it consistently daily, have like 3, 4, or 5 different channels, and keep on using these PLR articles to create a ton of different videos, you're gonna and then what you guys can actually do, you can actually have a lot of different affiliate links in the description which are relevant to the video, right? You can actually promote a lot of different products doing this. So that's 2 ways. The second way really is the same exact thing as the first way, but it's just quicker with the PLR method. And then the second way you guys can actually do you can actually use Content Samurai to actually make money, is actually creating real estate agent listing videos. So Content Samurai literally has a spot for creating real estate agent listings. So they even have like a template if you go inside. Okay. And they offer like a 14-day free trial. I'll leave a link down in the description. So you just head over to Google Maps, right? And what you want to do is you just want to type in real estate agents, and then you want to put in your area. All right, so I'll just put Vancouver for just an example. And what you want to do is you want to find you want to go through all these websites, and you just want to hit this button right here, and it'll take you to the website. Now, after you land on their website, what you want to do is wait for this to load. So yeah, here we have the person's website. So what I just did is I just clicked the contact button right here, and you want to find a place where they have a contact form. Usually most websites have it. If it's a proper business, they always have a contact form. And what you guys want to do is you want to create a, you want to go through their property listings, and you want to create a bunch of different videos, right? And or you guys can actually so there's two ways to doing this. So you could either create a bunch of different videos and literally just watermark them like heavily and reach out to this person saying, hey, I noticed you didn't have really good real estate. You have really good real estate properties, but you're not really showcasing them to their full potential. So and then you say, I made a couple of different real estate listings of your property, and I made videos of them. And would you like to purchase them? I actually sell them for so and so. You can actually charge one of these videos for $100, $200, or even more. A lot of companies are willing to pay a premium for these kind of things. Okay, so that's just one way. So what you want to do is you want to hit up all these websites. You want to keep on doing this, okay, in every single area you guys can think of. There's few different ways to actually get more clients. So what you want to do is if you're serious about this, which I know most people are actually not even gonna, first of all, they're not even gonna make it to this video. Second of all, they're just gonna send out one email, give up. They don't see money, they'll give up. So what you want to do, if you're serious about this, is you want to create an Instagram, right, and about just real estate agent listings, right? Something like that. And then you want to post your sample videos, make sure they're really nice, looking really good, and you want to consistently push out like 6 or 7 every single day. Don't want to spam, and make sure the hashtags and everything like that is good. I believe there's a website you can actually find the hashtags, but I'll leave a link down in the description if I remember, because I don't remember it off the top of my head. So you guys just create these Instagram videos, right, and post it on your story. You guys can also post it on obviously your posts. And then what you want to do is you want to actually like start following a bunch of different real estate agents, okay? Maybe in your area, maybe in other areas. You just want to continuously do that, right? And then what's going to happen is they're going to look over to your page, and they might even contact you. Hey, I checked out your page. You're actually offering so what you want to do in the bio, right, of your Instagram page is you want to write something like, hey, we create amazing real estate agent property listing videos. DM us if you're interested. We're selling them on a discount right now. Something like that, okay? Maybe come up with something better and more creative. But you do that, and then they're going to reach out to you after you do that follow strategy. And let's say if they don't, right? You don't want to rely on them coming to you. You want to go to them. So after you follow them, you actually want to DM a lot of these people saying, hey, I actually offer real estate property listing videos. Are you interested? And what you're going to do is you're going to just and if they say yes, you just boom, you just made some money right there, right? And you want to keep on doing this, right? And as time goes on, what you want to do is you actually want to have a website. Just use WordPress, use Bluehost. I'll leave a link in the description. That's just a hosting you guys can use if you want to create a website. So let's say you have your website, right? and then you just have a really nice website, right? It just goes over generate press. That's the theme I use for my site. But yeah, let's say you create it, right? And then where you guys can have your portfolio of your website on portfolio of your real estate agent listing videos on your website, and you can actually even advertise. So you could go now this is a super advanced strategy. If you're starting out, do not do this. I repeat, do not do this. You just head over to Google AdWords or even Facebook ads, and you're just going to advertise these to your website, and then people are going to see this and then they're going to contact you. Okay, that's one way. Now there's another way. You guys can actually sort of like make money with Content Samurai, doing something similar, but instead of actually going out there and finding your own clients, the clients are going to come to you. So the website I'm talking about is called Fiverr.com, and what you're going to do is you're going to create a gig here. You know, that you're going to create real estate agent videos. So look, a lot of these people, like some of these people, they're charging a lot of money. They're charging like $34. Keep in mind that the C stands for Canadian. So this is probably a little bit less in USD. So something like this is probably like 30 USD, I believe. So again, look, this person's selling it for 35, and this person's selling it for almost 70. Right, so you could just have this listing up, and then you could actually do the other method, that I was talking about. Okay, so that's just another way. And what you guys, another way. Now this is probably like even more the same. This last method I'm going to talk about is a bit more advanced, and I do not recommend if you're a beginner to do this. So what you guys going to do is you're just going to use Content Samurai to create your ads, or maybe if you're doing Shopify dropshipping, right? You can actually create your ad for Facebook, and you know, you have your ad copy, and again, so that's one way. And another way would be if you're a social media marketing agency, you create an ad for other people. Okay, and then you run their ads too on top, right? You don't just create a property listing, you actually run ads to that property listing. So, you know, my favorite way obviously is you know, having a channel, an affiliate niche channel. I like to mix it with you know, a niche website, but again, you don't have to do that. So what a niche website is you know, you have a website, and then you have a bunch of different articles. And then they rank on Google, so people come on there, and if you have your affiliate link, you can actually make money through there. So, and it's a little bit more passive than YouTube, because YouTube traffic, if you keep posting continuously, YouTube pushes your videos even more. But if you stop posting a lot, you know, your videos still rank, but it's not as good as Google SEO traffic. Okay. And you know, I'll leave a link down to the course Savage Affiliates. It's a course by Franklin Hutchin, and again, he goes over how to make these niche websites, how to create YouTube videos, how to show up on suggested, and how to rank, and how to do affiliate marketing properly. But again, you know, if you have a channel like this, start creating a lot of different content easily with Content Samurai, and you know, as time goes on, you keep on doing this and you don't give up, you're gonna see results. But yeah, I hope you guys found this video useful. Don't just actually watch it and then just leave. Actually implement these strategies, and if you do, and if you see success, or maybe if you're stuck, let me know in the comment below, right? If you're stuck at something, just ask below, and I'll reach out to you. And you know, if you made some money doing this, even let me know in the comments. Okay, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you subscribe, and thanks for watching.